Hi everyone, my name is Michael Dasher here, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, also from Hawaii. This is the CATHAY PACIFIC UPDATE here, and today we'll be talking about the CATHAY PACIFIC Winter Passengers. We have the yard with Xiamen yesterday morning, and this aircraft is registered as Robert Oscar. She took her flight number 638, reached a good distance of 496 kilometers. Actual flight of 1 hour to 6 minutes. Caution to 0 knots and turn 52 degrees. And this aircraft took off at 4:41 a.m. local time in Hong Kong. At the third runway. Yeah, she actually took off at the third runway at the same time of the year, and then she focused on China Sea. We have Xiamen runway 05 at 5:37 a.m. local time in Xiamen. And I hope she returns for service because she's currently under maintenance there. And she's one of the aircraft that went to Alice Springs. So let's proceed to the next bird. It is an Airbus A330-300 that returned from Beijing for maintenance, and then she after a few days of stay there. For the description below, that is where you can see the number of days that this bird stayed there. This aircraft is an Airbus A330-300 with registration number Papa. She's special because she's leading the Jakarta jet. She took her flight number 63821, which is the distance 1,987 kilometers. After flight of 2 hours 49 minutes, got with the actual 250 feet, comes to 9 kilonauts, and track 350 degrees. And this aircraft took for Beijing capital from at 1:32 a.m. local time, and then she landed at the third runway at 4:11 a.m. local time. And for the details of this bird, kindly check the previous video of Bravo Hotel Papa and Bravo Quebec Oscar. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you see you guys in the next update. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All about me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.